To be a friend or to be a parent? To say yes or to say no? These questions take over your mind when you become a parent. Which came first, chicken or egg? A parent doesn't care. They have more pressing questions to answer at all times. An indulgent burger again this week. A friend would say yes. Third sleepover of the week. A friend would say yes. But as a parent, can you? Your relationship with your child depends on the strings of yes and no. Each decision shapes their understanding of boundaries, trust, and independence. Say yes too often, and you risk becoming the parent who is easy to like but difficult to respect. Say no too often, and you might create a child who listens out of fear rather than genuine awareness. So, how do you strike the perfect balance? Find out with us. Many parents fall into one of two categories, the strict disciplinarian or the cool friend, and both come with their own set of problems. Today, parenting has become more complicated. Social media, excessive inauthentic content, and the pressure to be perfect parents makes it easy to feel lost.
There is no such thing as a perfect parent. Mistakes and struggles, they come with the job, but no one tells us what to do next.
But what if we tell you the research already points us towards the best approach? Let us quickly break down the most effective, research backed parenting style. Learning this parenting style and what it entails will help you figure out that it's all about finding the right balance, knowing when to be a supportive friend and when to step in as a guiding parent. Authoritative parenting is characterized by a balance of high responsiveness and high demands. Parents who adopt this style are nurturing, responsive, and supportive. Yet they also set clear boundaries and expectations for their children. This approach fosters independence, self discipline, and social competence in children. It is simple. We know every action has a consequence, and how damaging a consequence can be will help you decide who do you want to show up as, a friend or a parent. Imagine your kid has to complete an assignment that weighs for 20% of the final score. They just don't want to do it, or their procrastination is leading them towards a situation where they will end up not doing it. It is time to step up as a parent. The consequence is going to hurt them later. And when they are hurt, you are hurt. On the contrary, it's a beautiful rainy morning and they want to stay and enjoy their day with you. If their attendance is top notch, saying yes like a friend will not unleash damaging consequences. Yeah, they might have to spend extra time catching up on the next day, but is it too harmful or hurtful? In our 7-day parenting program, our parenting expert breaks down the concept of consequences in detail so beautifully that you might not want to miss it. But here's the thing, your child is always watching. They learn how to navigate the world through their actions, and you subtly guide their actions through your decisions. When should you step in as a parent and when should you step back as a friend? It's all about choosing your battles wisely. Non negotiables, their safety, their health, and their education. These require firm boundaries. Flexible moments, there's personal choices, self expression, and harmless preferences. These are opportunities to let go and trust. When you set boundaries with love, they understand that rules exist not to control them but to protect them. When you allow flexibility with responsibility, they end up learning how to make the right choices. The way you balance authority and friendship today will shape how they handle relationships, responsibilities, and challenges tomorrow. At the end of the day, parenting isn't about choosing between friendship and authority. It's about blending both in a way that fosters respect, security, and connection. A child needs freedom with guidance, choices with consequences, and love with structure.